Hey friends, it's Nine Morrison from WedLocks Education, and today I'm going to show you how I create my color matching template for my mascara beauty clients on a program called Flodesk. So Flodesk is an emailing service similar to ConvertKit or MailChimp. However, it's just much easier and the emails just look 1,000 times better. So if you are ready to jump ship and move over to a way better emailing service, head over to Flodesk. I've got a link below that gets you Flodesk half off for life. It's only $19 a month, no matter how many subscribers you have, which is pretty awesome. So we're going to go ahead and dive in. And so I opened up my Flodesk. I'm right here on emails. I'm going to go ahead and create new. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is there's already these templates here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Up My Email game. All right, now then you can pick really any one of these that you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this one, and then we're going to start customizing. All right. So first thing I like to do is I actually like to take my logo and put it at the bottom of my email. I don't like a gigantic email logo situation. Now, if you've already got Instagram hooked up on Flodesk, your Instagram feed actually just automatically pops up down here, which is pretty awesome. And then I'm just going to go right in WedLocks so people know where to go. I don't want this squiggle line here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm pretty much going to delete most of this and start most of this from scratch. Now, Flodesk is still in beta testing as of the moment I'm recording this, so there are certain things with Flodesk that you can and can't do. Now, the reason we're starting with a template and not starting from scratch is because some of these fonts you can only get if you started with a template. So that is just kind of part of like these little weird idiosyncrasies, but just wanted to let you know that is why we're not starting with a template. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little divider here. This is just me doing me. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so now we're going to put something up here like your color match is ready, right? If you want, you can then select, change the font, whatever your jam is. I'll show you mine once I get this all done. If something's stuck on caps, it's usually on purpose. And if you actually select the box, it goes drop caps right here, and you can take it off of caps. So that is one thing you can do. All right, and then these are just little spacers to give you some space in between, that kind of stuff. So I'm going to show you how I do the bulk of what makes this look so cool. So I went over here to one of the spacers and I clicked the add button, and then I go over to layouts. Layouts is going to give you all these different options over here, and what we're looking for is where is she? Okay, right here. It's got like a number 1 on it. Now this is the one we want. It's money. It's awesome. This is the key to this. All right, so this is the layout that we're using, okay? I'm actually gonna delete the number, don't need that. This gives you an option of how your photo that you're adding is gonna be framed. I like it square personally. Now I'm gonna go over here and type in highlight. I want it all caps though. Highlight. And then let's pick a highlight color. Let's just put amber. And then I'm just going to actually delete all of this text here on this one. And it's just going to be that. I know it looks really small, but it's okay. Now in this button, you can put whatever you want, like shop, or I like to put something a little cuter. Oops, and I say gimme. And okay, so now we're going to add our highlight color that we're using. So we said amber. So what I did was I went onto Maskcara HQ and I basically downloaded all of the photos that they have of all of the different highlight colors and all the different product photos and brush photos and that kind of stuff that I knew I was going to use for this. So now I'm going to go over to face. I said amber, right? Okay. I'm going to click amber. Boom. Now she looks nice and cute. You can also change this outline border color, which I kind of like to make it darker just to give a little definition. All right, then what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate this. So I just highlighted my little box, my little layout, and I just put duplicate. Okay, so we duplicated this. Now I'm going to put this as contour, right? Walnut, whatever. And then you're just doing the same thing. Cool. All right, so, but what I want these to do is I want them to actually like stagger. So I'm going to hit this. So I'm highlighting this box, so our contour box. Then I'm going to block, and I'm going to click flip. It's just going to flip the layout. So I want them to just have every other. It gives it a little bit more definition there, right? It's just more fun and appealing to the eye. Then each of these boxes, each of these buttons can be different links. So you can choose whatever link you want it to go to the Maskcara site or whatever that may be, right? Okay, so let's pretend we actually finished that. I'll show you what my template looks like once you're all done with that. So this is what my actual template looks like. All right, so this is my template here, and it just has some fun, cute little things, and then you can see what this all looks like. And then I have a little deal too that if they buy all of the stuff that's recommended, then I give them a free Zoom makeup lesson, which is super fun. Yeah, and that's what that looks like. So it just looks super professional, really clean, super on brand with Maskcara as well, and I love that. So what I do is I'm going to take you over here and make sure that you can see all of this. So when I'm ready, this is my template. So I don't actually want to change my template. I want to go over here and then just hit duplicate. And then what I always do is I always am going to rename it because this isn't a template anymore. I'm going to use this for one person. So let's say this is for Tari Tucker, who's my cousin, who's also a mascara artist. So I put that for Tari. Then I can go in here, delete things if I know, like, okay, I know that she's not going to want this and like whatever, I can delete those, and then I can also edit them and do all of that, send it to Tari, and then it's Tari's, and it's all customized just to her. So that is everything. That's the simplified version of my Flodesk template. And I hope you guys love it. I hope you guys are getting in on your own templates and having fun with Flodesk. Remember, if you want to get 50% off, the code is linked in the description down below. And yeah, let me know what else you guys want. If you want to know more about how Flodesk works and how to get some better email marketing results, I am here for it, honey. Until then, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.